Candace Copeland. I'm here to continue with the process of working with rawhide art. You saw in a previous clip where I was working with the wet rawhide to make a mold. And after it takes a couple of days and lots of finger pointing and pressing and tucking and pulling and all of this to get all this wonderful, wonderful detail. This was a full deer hide, and on this particular piece, this is a mold of an antique Bikini brave named Turtle. And he has such a wonderful face that you'll see others later on in the program that it's the same mold. Each hide is like our fingerprint. Each hide takes on a totally different look. So the faces can look either like a really old weazened Indian or it can look like a young buck. They're all individual. So it's that timing that's so critical, usually a day and a half, 2 days, as you work on it and come back and forth before you can lift it off of the mold. This particular one was an antique piece of plaster of Paris that was used in the railroad situation going up to the Grand Canyon in probably the 40s. And it has been used so many times that it has finally crumbled. So my little Bikini grave named Turtle will be no more. But as you can see, he's really quite incredible, and you'll see more decorated later in the show. Thank you.